Hello everyone. Today I will give you a clear review of the Amazon Relay app. The Amazon Relay app is a mobile application designed for truck drivers and carriers who haul freight for Amazon. It works as a central tool that connects drivers with their assigned loads in Amazon facilities. One of the main purposes of the app is load visibility. Drivers can see assigned trips, including pickup and drop-off locations, appointment times, and load status. This helps drivers know where they are going and what is expected without needing phone calls or paper instructions. Another important feature is navigation support. The app includes map directions that guide drivers to Amazon facilities. These directions are designed to reduce confusion when entering large yards or warehouses. Location notes often include gate instructions, yard rules, and other helpful details. The app also supports facility check-in and check-out processes. When drivers arrive at a pickup or delivery location, the app may prompt them to confirm arrival or follow specific steps. This creates a digital record of arrival times and progress during the load. Overall, the Amazon Relay app is designed to keep everything related to Amazon loads in one place. It helps improve organization, timing, and communication for drivers and carriers. Thanks for watching.